Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a recipe that's both incredibly tasty and super healthy. Spinach lentils. This is a hearty, comforting dish that's packed with flavor, protein, and the goodness of spinach. And it's super easy to make. So if you are looking for a wholesome, flavorful dish, this recipe will have you coming back for more. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients you will need to bring this dish to life. 1 cup of yellow lentils, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of soaking, remove the water and rinse them. A bundle of fresh spinach, roughly chopped. 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 medium tomato, chopped. Fresh green chilies, which is optional if you want an extra kick. Dried red chilies according to your taste. Ghee, which is clarified butter, or you can also use any oil of your choice, but I'm using ghee for its rich flavor. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which we will be using twice. 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. If you have fresh coriander leaves, you can also use it at the end for garnishing. I didn't have any, so I didn't use. So guys, these are all the ingredients, and I have also listed them in the description box below. Now let's get started and bring these simple ingredients to life. First up, we are going to cook our lentils. Into your pressure cooker, add the soaked lentils along with 2.5 cups of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This will not only season the lentils but also give them that warm golden glow. Close the lid and cook for about 3 whistles on medium to high heat. And voila! Your lentils are soft, creamy, and ready to go. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can boil the lentils in a pot for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the lentils reach a soft and creamy texture. Now keep the lentils aside and let's get to building the flavor base. Heat up some ghee or oil of your choice in a pan. Once hot, toss in your cumin seeds and dry red chilies, letting them sizzle for about a minute. The fragrance will immediately fill your kitchen. Be careful not to burn them. Medium heat here is your friend. Next, in goes the garlic. Stir for a few seconds and then add the onions. Saute until the onions turn lightly golden, about 2 minutes. If you want an extra spice kick, now's the time to add in your fresh green chilies. Stir everything together for another minute or 2 until the onions are nicely browned. Now add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and stir them for a minute. Then sprinkle in your turmeric, coriander powder, and a bit of salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, but adjust to your taste. Now stir everything together and let it cook until the tomatoes are mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy, it's time for the spinach. Add the chopped spinach to the pan and stir it all together, making sure the spinach wilts down and mixes well with the spices and aromatics. Cook for about 3 minutes until the spinach is soft and vibrant. Finally, add your cooked lentils and give everything a good mix. To achieve that perfect consistency, I'm adding about 1/2 cup of water. I like to pour my water in the pressure cooker so none of the nutrients are wasted. Stir, close the lid, and let it simmer on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes, allowing all those flavors to really come together. Now, this step is totally optional, but if you are looking to elevate this dish with a burst of extra flavor, we are going to finish it off with a quick tempering. In a small pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once hot, add a few mustard seeds and let them pop. Then, toss in some chopped garlic and add a pinch of red chili powder. Sizzle it all for about 40 seconds to a minute. just until fragrant, and immediately pour this aromatic mix over your lentils. Stir everything together, and let me tell you, the smell is out of this world. And just like that, your vibrant, nutritious spinach lentils are ready. You can serve this with fluffy rice, roti, chapati, paratha. The choice is yours. Every bite is a warm, comforting hug of spices, creamy lentils, and earthy spinach. Now it's your turn. This spinach lentil recipe is not just easy, but it's perfect way to enjoy a healthy, wholesome, delicious meal. So why not give it a try and let me know how it turns out. If you add your own twist or have a secret ingredient, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below with your variation or how you like the recipe. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.